What's going on, guys? We're doing something a little different today. But before we start, I've already recorded this without realizing that no audio from the video got into the thing. So instead of taking the easy way, I'm just gonna do it again. It's fine. I'm gonna watch it another second anyway. So I mean, like, you know, might as well. But this is You Can't Stop the WHEEZER by Mr. Nick Rick Games. Now I'm in this. I voice Carl WHEEZER. You already knew that. So let's just get into this. Metal and Eggman, Tari and Bell. We got everybody. Hey, it's the homies. We're the homeboys right now.
Guys!
Oh.
Jeez. What do you want, you idiot?
Yeah, what's up your ass?
Damn, alright.
You gotta hide me, man!
From what?
This guy won't stop following me! What?
Huh?
This fucking guy keeps saying the same thing and acting like he's better than me, and he won't leave me alone!
I think you're really overreacting.
No, you just don't understand. This guy keeps following me and saying,
Hi, I'm Carl. Hi, I'm Carl.
Oh no!
There he is. There's the
This
man.
was the guy you were so scared about?
Hi,
Hey,
I'm
King
Carl.
Jax.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Guys, don't.
This idiot? Ah, come on now, Sonic. He probably couldn't even hurt a fly.
Oh.
You wanna fuck around and find out?
You done pissed off the
Holy
Carl.
shit!
See, I told you!
Now this, I'd run, yeah.
Come back here, you son of a bitch.
God, I love Carl WHEEZER.
What the hell is this guy's problem?
Bro, doesn't matter, just keep running!
Quick, over here.
We found the hiding spot.
Phew,
Can't get us here.
I think we lost him. That wasn't so bad.
Oh, he's buff now.
Hey, you can't escape the WHEEZER, fools.
Dude, the Giga Chad stance going on, bro.
Stand back, guys. I got this.
You ain't messing with Carl.
Do I look like I need your power?
Damn. Carl's stronger than Sonic, that's it. It's been confirmed. Carl's the most powerful being
Oh.
in the
just
NRG
great.
universe.
Now we have to deal with these guys.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'd say that hurt.
Oh, you fucked up, son. You fucked up, son.
Jesus Christ.
98 buried, 0 found.
Ominous.
Wanna head to SMG4's house and play some games?
Hell yeah!
Let's just get out of here. Let's just leave. Carl on his own.
For
fend
the
himself.
motherland!
That was good. Hey, there I am. It's me, it's Carl WHEEZER. Sick. Some good art right there. Yeah. That was You Can't Stop the WHEEZER by Mr. Nick Rick Games. The link to this stuff will be in the description. And it'll be a good time. So yeah, I hope it recorded properly this time. If it doesn't, oh well. I'll see you guys in the next one.